Thinking about trying those cayenne pepper drops you've seen online? They promise everything from better digestion to heart health. But are they actually worth it or just another sketchy supplement? Quick disclaimer, this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. The drops aren't just cayenne. They mix in hawthorn, cinnamon, berberine, and more. It's supposed to help with circulation, metabolism, and blood sugar. On Amazon, some people say they feel more energized. Others complain about the strong taste or leaking bottles. And while the ingredients are natural, there's no real proof it delivers all the big health claims. So, is it legit? It's a real product and might give small health boosts, but don't expect miracles. It's more of a support supplement, not a cure at all. Tried it? Let us know if it helped or just burned your tongue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews.